Hello everyone, Steve Stratton here with Redline Emissions Products. Today we are setting up Filtertherm's Aqueous DPF cleaning machine. This should be a quick and easy process. This machine can be set up and run in under an hour. Before the machine arrives, you will receive a digital copy of the owner's manual, a link to online training, and a quick start guide. This machine comes with 1 year of free internet-based tech support. All you have to do is let your support team know how you want to communicate. To ensure a seamless operation, it is strongly recommended that you read the owner's manual and complete the online training prior to using your Aqueous DPF cleaning machine. That being said, let's take a look. In the upper cabinet, there will be a couple boxes and a bag of filtration material. In the small box, you'll get lubrication oil, feet, as well as the light medium duty adapters. The large box will have extra filtration bags. Remove both boxes and the filtration material from the upper cabinet. The machine comes with shipping feet attached. Remove and install the supplied feet found in the small box, then level the machine. There will be a supply hose attached to the spray nozzle. Cut the tie straps and loosen the spray nozzle. Connect the 1-inch female cam lock to the male cam lock on the spray nozzle. Slide it up and tighten the clamps. Connect the water supply hose to the whitewater tank. Fill to the indicator on the sight glass. Powering up the machine prior to adding water could damage the clean soak pump. Do not power up the machine until water has been added. Now that our machine has water, it is safe to connect power and turn on the machine. Next, we want to verify our pump's rotation is clockwise. We will do this by running the clean pump with the manual switch located at the bottom of the display board. Manually run the pump until water comes out of the nozzle. Top off the water tank to the full indicator, then set up your surfactant tote. Once this is complete, the machine is ready to run. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching our video.